Yeah, I've been testing this LISEN P604 Power Bank in the last 2 days regarding wireless charge, regarding maximum power capacity and everything. And it has definitely not disappointed, but now let's get to the details. First, of course, yeah, it's a very beautiful power bank. There's no doubt about that. You can see that here. And also really solid build, compact, heavy duty, exactly like all the LISEN power banks I've been testing so far. This one here is a little bit thicker than these ultra thin ones which I've tested before, and the reason of course is that it has a little bit more power, actually a 10,000 milliamps capacity compared to the smaller ones which have around 5,000 milliamps. And the second thing is that we have a very powerful wireless charge. Unfortunately I couldn't test the 25 watts, which is actually pretty impressive because I don't have compatible phone, but on the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra where I've tested it, it has been showing fast wireless charging. And the super surprising thing which I've found there, even though the case was not perfect for the shape of this charger, and so it left a little bit of a gap, and usually with some other wireless chargers I had huge problems to get charge into my phone, but this wireless charger is so strong that it even ignored this gap and still charged my phone really fast. And because it has such a powerful wireless charge, I wanted to see if I can also charge some old devices which are supporting standard wireless charge, like a very old smartwatch and a pair of no-name earbuds which were one of the first ones supporting wireless charge, and both instantly started charging wirelessly from this power bank. But I guess most people are interested into latest iPhone compatibility, like the iPhone 17, where I have this case here, and you can see when I put this here, this is absolutely amazing, absolutely perfect. We can see that also from both of the sides how this would look. That's something which you usually don't see from the back, but this is absolutely amazing, almost impossible to remove. You can see that here, and I'm shaking, and not only when holding the power bank but also when holding the case. You can see it's pretty much impossible to shake off this power bank. That's absolutely amazing. And you can see also the perfect size, perfect shape, definitely for the iPhone 17, but I guess for many more phones. But it's not only supporting wireless charge, it has also a USB-C port, of course, for input up to 30 watts. I've measured even in real life up to 28 watts, and output up to 65 watts, which is absolutely amazing for such a small power bank. And so I tested it even to charge my Lenovo laptop, which is requiring 20 volts to charge. And because this small power bank can deliver up to 20 volts, it has been charging my laptop with close to 60 watts maximum power. But we do not only have USB-C, we also have a legacy USB-A port here, which I think is an awesome thing, because that's still a very common thing. And what we also can see is this lanyard, and that's not only a lanyard, that's actually a USB-C cable. You can see, you can push this out, and this you can push a little bit to the back, and then you can plug it in, pull this a little bit back again, and then you have this awesome USB-C cable already built in, and of course easy to store back. And you can really use it like that. You can hold this absolutely no problem. It's super robust, braided cable, and also a really fast one supporting up to 65 watts high-speed charge. Of course, we also have a button here on the side, and when you press, you can see the charge indicated by 4 LEDs in 25% steps. What I also love with LISEN is how honest they are. They print pretty much everything, the whole specs here directly on the power bank. For example, also the rated 6000 milliamps capacity at 5 volts. And so I tested that and found even a little bit more, 6200 something milliamps. Of course, because of the cable I've been using, the voltage was a little bit lower. which turns then into a little bit higher milliamps, but still very impressive and shows how honest this company is. Also great to see what safety they have built in here regarding over voltage, over current, overheating, all these things. Very, very important. So it has been performing really, really well. I couldn't find any disadvantages, and so I'd say full recommendation from my side. And so, very interested, you can find the link down in the description of the video, so you can check it out and order one for you if you like. And I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or want to share your own experience with this power bank, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.